Just buy a few Bluetooth speakers and put them up there and search YouTube for a bell sound, man. Then you won't have to be doing all that shit ever again. That's too much work. And people can like play a fart sound through the speakers and during a funeral. I think that would be funny. We can all agree that you should buy speakers, Bluetooth speakers. The people all agree on that. And you should give people the ability to connect to the speakers. And as long as they make it funny, they should be able to connect to the speakers.